never really changes, does it? Not even after all these years of silence between us.
Only that you're lovelier than ever. Much lovelier than that girl in her ashes of roses gown.
It's because I'm so happy. When you left me on Matlock Island, I thought it was forever. And here you are again. So soon. Why now? When you have everything you said you wanted.
Everything. Except what I had with you on Matlock Island. In all the years since then, I've fought against my need for you. But I couldn't bear to leave this life without being with you again.
You're not ill?
Oh, no. Just getting old. Feeling my mortality like any man. And God help me, after all these years. It still hurts. But after Matlock Island, you could go back to Luke. Give him a son.
You must never think of Dane as Luke's son. Or as anyone's but mine.
You love Dane very much, don't you?
Almost too much, I sometimes think. As I've always loved you too much.
Father, it's going to be a scorcher of a day. Perhaps we'd best take the Jeep instead.
It might be wiser, Ralph. Must be years since you've ridden. And we're none of us any younger, are we?
Well, I'll just try to struggle along if you're sure she's nice and gentle. Shall we?
Be careful!
Dane's very taken with him, Maggie.
He's never known a father. Let him enjoy Ralph while he can.
I thought you might tell Ralph, after all.
Who would it serve?
Who does it serve not to?
Oh, Mom. I honestly think you're disappointed I haven't been struck by some retributory bolt of lightning. I'm happy for once in my life. Can't you let me enjoy it?